Hey guys, welcome back. So, yesterday, as some of you might know, was day one of my layoff. So, yesterday I tried to tackle cleaning the whole house. I got half of it done. Today is day number 2 of being laid off. I am going to try to tackle my teenage daughter's bedroom and clean it. She is at her dad's this week, and I told her I was going to clean it. It's more than what I expected. This, I will show you what I have to deal with. This is her nightstand. Yes. Yeah. Let's see. Oh, don't mind this box. I just got a mattress. See? But this is where, that's where she keeps her clothes. Pathetic. Where do I even start? Oh my gosh. Oh man. So, I don't even know where to start. I mean, I think I'm going to have a cup of coffee before I do this. It's there's no words for this. Like, I don't even know where to start. I don't. Because, bedsheet. Why? I guess the bear got cold. See that? Yeah, the bear got cold. I don't even know where to start. I mean, does anybody else's teenage kid have their rooms like this? I've already had one cup of coffee. I'm going to have to make another cup. I mean, apparently she likes scratching the paint off of her wall. Look at this. Look at this. Do you see that? Do you see that? Apparently she likes scratching the paint off the wall. I mean, who does this? She'll be 16. Who does this? I mean, there's dog puke. There's dog puke right there. I mean, come on now. Who does this? Bubblegum? She has bubblegum. An empty thing of bubblegum on the floor. Come on, Emily. I need a glass of vodka for this. I really do. This is pathetic. There's no words to even describe what I'm gonna do. I thought about just throwing it all out her door. The door. Right there. It leads to the outside. I think that's where I'm going to throw most of her stuff. And then she can go through it when she comes back on Friday. Stay tuned.